Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to see how to make instant fish curry. Food is God gift is your own recipe channel where your requests we done it for you. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell button. This fish curry is quick and easy version to prepare. Only take 50 minutes guys. And I'm going to reveal my secret ingredient. This fish curry is delicious and everybody can make it own with my few easy steps. Let's see guys what you need for this delicious fish curry. So today I have a salmon fish. It's a fillet. It's skinless and boneless. So I have turmeric powder and salt, so I'm going to marinate. I have half cup chopped onion, few garlics, curry leaves, and I'm using a canned tomato. It's a crushed tomato. You always can use a fresh tomato if you have available. And oil, 1 cup water for tempering, and masala is chili powder, pepper powder and coriander powder and cumin powder. So guys, if you don't have time, don't worry, you always can use this box kollumbu chili masala. It's very convenient. You can add about 2 tablespoons. So now I'm going to marinate the fish for a few minutes before I start making this curry. So I just add about 2 tablespoons mustard oil. This oil is a game changer to whole recipe. You always can use any oil you have. Now I just add a fenugreek seed, mustard seed and little bit cumin seed. The fenugreek seed is give nice aroma for our fish curry. Now I just add chopped onion, chopped garlic, few curry leaf and green chilies. Now I'm just adding the salt. We going need to saute about 1 to 3 minutes until the onion little bit brown. Not totally brown, it's just little bit translucent to the golden brown. So let it cook about 3 minutes. So friends, we need to make sure our first ingredient should be nice and golden brown, so that's give a good flavor for our curries. Now I'm just add all the masalas. Is a chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder and pepper powder. And now I just add the crushed tomato. I used again is a canned tomato. You always can use the fresh tomato. Now I just add about 1 cup water. So you been notice in recipe we don't have any fresh tomato or tamarind. So I'm going to reveal the secret ingredient soon. So let it boil until the oil start floating on the top. Now I'm just add the marinate fish with the salt and turmeric powder. So friends, let the fish cook for 1 minute. Then you can turn over it to other side and leave it alone. Do not keep stirring the curry roughly. The fish will quickly cook, no time. So now I'm going to reveal the secret ingredients. It's a mango pickle guys. You guys won't believe this is the totally change to this curry to give the best flavor ever. The mango pickle is just a game changer to hold this fish curry. It's take over it all the needed and balance all the flavor to this curry. This is so yummy guys. This curry is so good with the rice, chapati, idli, dosa, idiyappam, anything guys. It's just so yummy. I want you guys try this recipe. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. Please subscribe and thank you for watching. You have a wonderful day guys.